contest is at hand, and the commander spirit, ranging for revenge, shall in a monarch's voice cry, "Havoc!" and let slip the dogs of war. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is and on behalf of Dr. Jack Hawkins Jr., Chancellor of Troy University, we proudly present the Troy University Sound of the Town Marching Band. Under the field command of drum majors Doc Taylor and Brooklyn Willis, and Director of Bands Dr. Mark Walker. We're proud to have the opportunity to perform for you tonight. We hope that as you begin to think about college, you'll consider coming to Troy University. Because if you do, we have a place for you in the Sound of the South. So sit back and relax. Here's the Sound of the South! As an irresistible force of social and cultural change, Motown made its mark on the music industry and society at large. Tonight, we salute Motown with the music of the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin.